check it. Going camping by myself for the night, about an hour and a half out of town. Fuck it. Straight to buttfuck nowhere where there's bears, wildcats, coyotes, wolves. Anyways, this is proof that just go by yourself. If you got nobody to go with, just do it. If you want to go camping, just do it. If you want to go swimming, just do it. Just by yourself. Who cares? Just enjoy your own thoughts in your own head. Enjoy being by your own self. Enjoy the freedom of just getting out and about and giving it your all. I plan to do some fishing. I plan to drink a few beers. And I plan to just sit by a fire and get hypnotized by the flames. Yeah.
Oh,
I live
for that shit.
for
This shit.
I
Live for this.
shit.
Blah,
Bleh, bleh.
blah, blah.
Hi. Everybody,
Just
say
say
no.
I'm not crazy. Okay, I am.
Hello, beautiful sky. Hello. Hi. Hello. Murden Lake, baby. Oh, hello. What's up? Yeah.
Hi.
Ooh, I'm so scared. Ooh, I'm shaking my booties. Ooh, so scared. Ooh. Oh. Oh. Whee! Woohoo! Woohoo! Having fun! It's fun! Yeah!